guys, welcome back to my channel. So you probably see the setting is different. I'm currently house sitting for my friend, and so I decided I'm going to do a get ready with me because I actually am going to a Braai at about 2. The time right now is 11:57. So, and if you are a new subscriber, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and just stick around because you know we do fun shit here. Let's get started. Without further ado, let's get started. I don't know what I'm going to be doing with my makeup as of yet, but I thought let's just start with a blank canvas and work from there. So I'm just going to prep my face with the Makeup Ready KIKI Beauty face primer as I always do. Today seems a bit hot, so I put on, well, you know, you're supposed to actually always put sunscreen on, so I put sunscreen on before this so it can settle in, and now I'm just gonna apply my primer. The foundation I'm gonna use today is the black Opal Skin Perfecting Stick Foundation in the shade Nutmeg. It's rather hot outside and I really want my makeup to stay, even though this is like an oily like consistency. It's whatever, I'm just doing this. And then going in with my kabuki brush, just blending it in. And then going in with my Real Techniques, going in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer in Warm Sand. And then pouncing it all out with my Real Techniques sponge. And then going in with my Yardley translucent powder, I'm just going to set everything that I just applied concealer on. So I'm just gonna finish my brows off camera and I'll come back on camera. So I just did my brows off camera, so now I'm gonna do my eyes. I'm going to be using my regular Morphe palette. I'm going to just use these two colors to do my crease. It's probably not gonna be a very bougie, well, a very hectic eye because it's just a family brow, so just me patching up is already enough, you know what I'm saying? And then I'm just going to put this on my lid, so there can be some brown on my lid, that's all. It's just like browns. This is literally my go-to look when I need to just get out of the door but still look put together. And now I'm gonna go in with the Rocket Volume Express by Maybelline and just do my lashes to prep for falsies. My mascara dries, I'm going to bronze up my face with the LA Girl Blush Collection Glam and just use the bronzer. And I'm going to use my Nathanie Glow Kit, and I'm going to be mixing these three colors. I'm just gonna go off camera and then put on my lashes, and then I will be right back. I'm just gonna apply MAC Twig, which is always my go-to all the time. So this is the finished look. A very simple get ready with me. It's a Braai edition, you know what I'm saying? And yes, I am that extra person that goes to a Braai with lashes on. I am that person, and it's okay. My family knows it, and it's fine. It's fine. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, share with all your friends, your grannies. They deserve to see my face. And I have nothing else to say, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.